Environmentally responsible. Digitally driven. Your dry cleaner might not be the first business you think of when you hear these words, but at Holiday Cleaners in San Angelo, Texas, that's our style. Since 1959, Holiday Cleaners has remained the area's leading dry cleaner, in part by investing in the latest, cleaner and greener technology. Take a look for yourself. When you bring your clothing to Holiday Cleaners, a smiling face to greet you at the counter is only the beginning. After your dry cleaning has been dropped off and thoroughly inspected for stains and missing or broken buttons, Holiday Cleaners digitally tags your clothing. Each item is carefully pressed with a barcode. The barcode is scanned into a computer along with your clothing's care and handling instructions. If this isn't your first time at Holiday Cleaners, the cleaning instructions from your previous visits will be on record too. This ensures that each item of clothing gets the special attention you want consistently with every visit to any Holiday Cleaners location. By digitally tagging your clothing, the computer will also keep a record of how many items you dropped off, grouping them all together to make sure there's nothing missing when you return to pick up your order. Thanks to the digital ID system, Holiday Cleaners has found a quicker, more accurate, and gentler way to keep your wardrobe looking just as nice as the day you bought it. To ensure that your clothing receives the best quality care, every garment you drop off will be thoroughly inspected 10 times at various points along the way. Once your dry cleaning has been checked the first time and digitally tagged, it's sorted and taken to the machine that will do the actual dry cleaning. This mammoth device looks like a giant front-loading washing machine. In fact, it works very similarly to the washing machine you have at home, with one major difference. Instead of using water to clean your clothing, dry cleaners use a chemical solvent. Now, there's a popular misconception that because it's called dry cleaning, your clothing never gets wet. However, this isn't the case. Clothes do get wet, just not with water. They get showered with a liquid chemical solvent. It's the absence of water that makes dry cleaning dry. The chemical solvent that Holiday Cleaners cleans your clothing in is called DF2000. DF2000 is considered much safer for the environment than the current leading solvent and has earned a reputation among dry cleaning professionals as one of the best alternative solvents used by the industry. Being environmentally responsible, Holiday Cleaners takes the extra step of cleaning and recycling the DF2000 used on your clothing after every load. The same machine that cleans your dry cleaning will also dry it as well. As your clothing is gently dried, the DF2000 evaporates. It changes from a liquid into a gas. The gas is collected inside a condenser where it then changes back into a liquid. At this point, the DF2000 has been purified, recycled, and is ready to be used again on the next load of dry cleaning. Having evaporated, the DF2000 is free from any dirt or oils caused by stains. Those have been delicately lifted from your clothing and collected inside the dry cleaning machine's filters. At Holiday Cleaners, these filters are brushed and cleaned after every load. There are two very important reasons why Holiday Cleaners has voluntarily chosen to use DF2000 rather than the much more widely used leading brand solvent. Responsibly recycling DF2000 is better for the environment, and because the leading brand chemical solvent known as perchloroethylene, or PERC for short, has been classified as a potentially cancer-causing substance. The state of California, in fact, has banned the use of PERC altogether. Nonetheless, as much as 85% of all the dry cleaners in the country are still using PERC to clean clothing, and a number of these dry cleaners operate businesses right here in San Angelo. Once your dry cleaning has been carefully cleaned and dried, it's taken to Holiday Cleaners' special no-touch pressing machines. Always on the cutting edge, Holiday Cleaners has invested in the latest dry cleaning technology. These pressing machines are safer for your garments, designed to give your clothing a perfect press every time with no potential for burning. Shirts and blouses are sorted and individually placed on one finishing machine. Pants and jeans go to another. As you can see, the pants finisher will secure the pant at the waistband and then again at the bottom of each leg. The shirts finisher will firmly hold blouses and shirts at the collar, the lower hem, and at the end of each sleeve. A jet of steam will first relax the fibers in your clothing. Controlled tension smooths them out, and then a final jet of air will dry and set the press of your clothing in place. After your dry cleaning has been pressed, it's quality checked one last time. Then it's digitally scanned. The computer informs the employee where to place your order and how many items of clothing should be returned back to you. Carefully cleaned, dried and pressed, your order is bagged and is made ready for you to pick up. Holiday Cleaners has remained the area's leading dry cleaner by following a simple principle: treating your dry cleaning like they would treat their own. For more information, you can visit their website at holidaycleaners.info, or please visit us in person at any one of the 8 convenient locations Holiday Cleaners has in place around the city of San Angelo. We look forward to meeting you. Holiday Cleaners, that's our style.